Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Transport, Sneobhalang Dhar, on Monday sought a report into the arrest of Jean Kelly G. Momin, East Garo Hills District Transport Officer, by the Assam Police for allegedly being involved in the falsification of documents. On Sunday, DTO of East Garo Hills, Jean Kelly G. Momin, was arrested by Assam Police for his involvement in the falsification of documents. Dhar admitted that there is a need to ensure transparency in the functioning of the transport offices in the state.
That is my suggestion to the DC, to consult with the DC of Assam. Let them form a peace committee between the local people. Why they should try every now and then, which is report to us. Maybe not appropriate for me to tell you what we should do because I have to wait for the report first. Next week or something we have to meet again between us first, because till today we haven't received any order from the court, so we have to see on this. I'm yet to get exactly information, news I take this today, so let me get first what are the actual things happening, so I'll be able to inform you.
As the 48